In this video, we're going to demonstrate the H2X and Dutypoint product integration partnership. So H2X is design and calculation software for mechanical and public health engineers. The way it works is you draw your layout, and based on what's connected, H2X will calculate flow rates, pipe sizes, pressure loss, velocities, heat loss, and plant sizing, and a lot more. So in this example, we've got a two-story building, and we're just in the process of adding some demand to level 1. It's worth noting that once this design is complete, we can export this directly into AutoCAD or Revit. Alternatively, you can go straight onto a PDF or even export a design report with all of your calculation results in Excel. When we go to Pref Results, everything is automatically calculated. And the first thing that you'll notice is that we have some warnings over here. So that's giving us advice that we don't have enough pressure. We can see when we turn on the result that we're only getting 0.3 bar. So we would know now to add a pump. And this is where the Dutypoint partnership comes in. So we've got the VG2 and VG3 pumps, which will be automatically sized. All we've got to do is select the configuration and add that into the design. So there's different parameters that you can choose from, one of them being spare pressure, so that will be additional pressure to the most disadvantaged node, which will then set the pump duty. So we can rerun the calculations now, and all of the results will instantly update. We're able to see at the pump that we have the booster pump duty just over 1.25 litres per second at around 1.8 bar. You can see the Dutypoint model number, so we've got one of the VG2 pumps, and as well as the pipe sizes, you can also see that the incoming peak flow rate matches the pump duty. If we go back to level 1 now, we can head over to that node and we can see that we're now achieving the 2.2 bar. If you need a tank, you're also able to select from the Dutypoint Scuba Tank range. So H2X has built-in models from 375 litre tanks all the way up to 2,250 litres. And the pump tank combination means that there's going to be a minimal footprint, so ideal if you need a space-saving solution. Similar to the VG pump range, just head to the plant menu, select the scuba tank and add it to the design. You can then choose your pump configuration, and the key parameter here is the peak flow rate storage. So you can input at the time that you want to store the peak flow rate for, and H2X will size the tank based on that, and it will give you the Dutypoint model, as well as automatically updating the dimensions so that you have the correct tank footprint on your design. If you need any more information on anything you've seen today, just head to h2xengineering.com or dutypoint.com.